I am Dr. Rana Irfan. I'm incoming president of American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery. Now today I wanted to talk to the public because you always looking forward and always thinking to find a good doctor for yourself. And I wanted to tell you that American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery is meant to certify the doctors with a validated exam, and we administer rigorous psychometrically evaluated examination to the doctors who they are educated by International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery ISHRS. And by psychometrically evaluated examination means it is a validated exam, and questions, they are standard questions. I wanted to tell you in a very simple word that this is the standardized examination, and once they are certified by American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery, the doctors are considered to be refined doctors, safe doctors, well reputed for the patients, and ethical professionals for their patients. So whenever you are looking for a hair restoration surgery, you must be looking for the standardized doctors who they are certified by American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery, and they are educated by ISHRS, International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery. Thank you very much.